we're back with another video, another DIY. So I hope y'all are ready. I'm gonna put pictures to the side of what we're getting into today, and yeah, let's just get into it. Oh, not me not looking at the camera, sorry y'all. I like these glasses. Y'all know I don't wear glasses, but these are blue light glasses, so yeah, I'm feeling them. Not y'all seeing my ring light, but anyways, we finna get into the video. So all right, so what you're gonna need is jeans, denim, y'all already know, thrifted pair. These are actually super cute and they fit real nice. But yeah, these are the jeans, what we're working with. Scissors, period. Yeah, get into it. Eyelets, yep, got the big ones because we're going with a thicker string or whatever you call this. I got this from Michael's too, so yeah. And then we're gonna need some super glue because that's the only way I know how to get those to stay. Ooh, let me show y'all my shorts that I made. I made these a while ago. Y'all, they're so cute. They just look like this. When I first did them, I had a thinner string in them, but I switched them to the thicker string and I thought that was really cute. And I was scared to wash them, but I washed them and the glue held up. My thingies held up. I used E6000 glue on these though. But yeah, the glue held up and everything is nice and sturdy. So these are my shorts. I might try these on at the end just to show y'all what these look like too. But anyways, back into the video. So now we're about to cut the sides. And the thing is with these jeans, they're usually cut like all the way up to the top. You got like your whole leg exposed all the way down. If that's what you want to do that, honey, do it, you know? But me, I'm not that bold. So I'm really gonna cut it maybe like to right here. That's how much is gonna be split all the way down. The rest is just gonna be enclosed. We're still gonna have the strings going up, but from here down is the only part that's gonna be out. Okay y'all, so I already cut down the legs and I started placing my eyelets. So I have 10. That's 10 for each side because you know we're looping it. So the front's gonna have 10, the back's gonna have 10. Now I'm gonna take a Sharpie and mark in between each hole so I can remember where I have them placed, and then I'm gonna cut them and then add the eyelets back in. So this is gonna take a while, so I'm just gonna show y'all in detail how to do one. So all I did was add a dot, and then I started off by cutting a hole, and then I just take one of them and just try to get it to fit through. So then I take my super glue, Gorilla Glue. Y'all done got this on my fingers. I don't think it's coming off, but be careful when you use this. Add some glue around the eyelet. Let me take this piece. This one isn't as long as the other one. So just push that on like so. That is that. And now we have 2. So I'm just gonna continue to do that all the way down. I already laced up this side. Yeah, it's looking like this. Okay, so now we're just gonna lace up this side.